Holy crap, it just keeps snowing. What is going on? Why is it snowing every single day here? Good morning. Lame. It's cold. I can't even see the snow on the GoPro. It's just like there's so much snow, but you can't see it.
It's not snowing.
Yeah, I'm lying. It's not snowing. Good morning. Anybody watched Happy Friday? It's still up on the trash can. Also breakfast. 6. Here. Pranked!
Wow. Cool. Free condoms.
She's really ringing today.
I can't even see it.
I know, me neither. It's really bright.
Look up.
It's kind of beautiful though.
Yeah, it's our schedule.
What is it?
Half Wednesday schedule. Don't be sinners.
Got it. Thank you. Just got stuck. Hey.
Hey.
They didn't have any teriyaki chicken today, so I had to get orange chicken. Three out of 10.
That was terrible. You saw me coming.
That was the worst prank I've ever seen in my life.
Well, you know, you win some and you lose some.
That's what I always say. Dude, freaking prank him. Oh. I'm headed to financial accounting right now, downtown. It's so cold. I'm sick and tired of winter, alright? Michigan, you can warm up now if you want. Just throw in one of those weird 50-degree days that always happen during the winter. I'd love that. Please. Goodbye. You know how everybody has that one song that like turns on when you turn on your car? Mine's Water by Ugly Guy. What's yours? This song sucks. So I'm just thinking, you know, a lot of my videos are pretty repetitive. So, what does everybody think I should do? Any content ideas? Throw them out there. I don't care what they are. Give me your best ideas, and I can see if I can do them. Because, you know, we live in Michigan. We ain't got much to do. There's snow on the ground. Like, what do you expect me to do? I don't know. Maybe leave a suggestion. I don't know. People rarely comment on these videos. People rarely even watch these videos. So, whatever. I'll see you after class. I'm getting a car wash. My car is absolutely filthy. We're going to the car wash, baby. Mr. Car Wash. I'm looking spiffy now, I think. Well, I mean, I can't see the outside of my car, but it looks beautiful. All right. Oh. Okay, she's clean. I'm at Meyer now. Gotta get some stuff for food and foreman. Food and foreman. Oh. Does anybody else put ice cream in the microwave just to like soften it up? Because it's easier to eat that way? Well, I totally do. And if you think I'm weird because of it, I don't care. I just have to do work for the rest of the night. Enjoy this freaking dope time lapse of me working. Ka-chow! What the? Good night.